Bikes are good for many things. They can cover daily commuting needs or can be part of your relaxing cruises. However, they are built fairly simple, and if you want to get the best out of it, you need some gear and gadgets. Not only can they increase the function of the bikes, but also their safety. That brings us to today's video of bike gadgets and accessories you should consider. Ever thought of upgrading your cycling experience with safety and a subtle style? No matter you're riding through the hustle and bustle of city streets or along dark mountain trails, Lumos's Ultra e-bike helmet and Firefly mini light have got your back. They'll make sure you're safe and seen on every ride. The Lumos Ultra e-bike helmet can be a fantastic choice for tech-savvy cyclists who prioritize safety and style. Its standout features include integrated LED turn signals controlled via a remote, enhancing visibility and communication on the road. The MIPS technology adds essential impact protection. And with the Lumos app, riders can customize LED patterns and brightness, and even track their rides. There is also a non-MIPS version that costs a little less. Though slightly heavy for extended wear, its quality build and LED safety features make it a good option for daily usage. To complement the Ultra e-bike helmet, the Lumos Firefly Mini adds visibility and smart signaling to your ride. More than just a simple light, this one offers turn signals, brake lights, and multiple lighting modes for added safety. The Firefly Mini easily attaches to your bike with its magnetic mount, and its versatility allows it to clip onto backpacks or even be used when running or walking pets. Together, the Lumos Ultra e-bike helmet and Firefly Mini light create a powerful duo for any cyclist, offering comfort, safety, and visibility on the road. What's even better is, Lumos is giving up to a 45% discount on this Black Friday. And if you use our discount code while purchasing, you'll be getting an extra 10% discount on all Lumos products. When it comes to slicing through the wind on race day, the Smith Optics Jetstream TT helmet is a must-have for any competitive cyclist. Designed with aerodynamics and safety in mind, this lightweight helmet features zonal choroid and MIPS technology to keep you protected from impact without compromising speed. The magnetic visor swaps easily between ChromaPop and clear lenses, ensuring top-notch visibility in any light condition, while 5 strategically placed vents deliver just the right amount of cooling airflow. Comfort is key during time trials, and the VaporFit dial adjustment system lets you fine-tune the fit in seconds, with the low-profile Y-strap reducing wind resistance for a streamlined ride. Inside, the Ionic Plus antimicrobial lining keeps things fresh, even after those long, sweaty rides. To top it off, the Jetstream TT comes with a hard case and spare lens, making it a performance-driven package that serious cyclists will appreciate. For cyclists who like to keep it light and simple, the Rock Bros Bike Saddlebag is a reliable companion for any ride. Weighing just 60 grams, this ultralight wedge pack tucks neatly under your bike seat, offering just enough room for essentials like a mini pump, tire tools, or a few personal items. The durable high-strength nylon construction, paired with a rubber non-slip bottom, ensures it stays secure and holds up to daily use. Installing it is a breeze, thanks to 2 sturdy straps that keep it snugly in place, whether you're cruising on a road bike, tackling trails on a mountain bike, or zipping around on a folding bike. Safety doesn't take a backseat either, with reflective details and a rear strap for a taillight attachment, making you visible during nighttime rides. While its compact size limits storage, it's the perfect minimalist solution for cyclists who value efficiency and practicality. Plus Foot Pump is a practical and versatile tool that makes inflating bicycle tires, sports balls, and other inflatables a hassle-free experience. Its foot-operated design takes the strain off your back, letting you inflate items comfortably without bending over. Built with a durable steel barrel and base, this pump can handle frequent use and delivers up to 120 pounds per square inch of pressure for quick and efficient inflation. The dual-head nozzle works seamlessly with both Schrader and Presta valves, making it compatible with a wide range of bicycles. For precision, the integrated air zone pressure gauge ensures you can achieve the exact tire pressure needed. Additional features like the sports ball needle and inflation cone expand its utility beyond biking. With its foldable design, The Schwinn Airbase Plus is easy to store, making it an excellent choice for cyclists and sports enthusiasts alike. The Przewalski Men's 3D Padded Cycling Bike. Bib shorts are a top pick for cyclists seeking comfort and performance without breaking the bank. Designed with high-wicking fabric, these shorts keep riders cool and dry, even during grueling 8-hour rides. The back mesh construction enhances ventilation, making them a great choice for both indoor and outdoor cycling. Comfort is a standout feature thanks to the ergonomic CoolMax pad, which uses perforated layers for superior cushioning and reduced chafing. The 4-way stretch fabric ensures unrestricted movement, while flat seam stitching and a 3D molded design eliminate irritation. To keep everything in place, silicone leg grippers provide a snug fit that prevents the shorts from riding up. Newer models include handy side pockets for storing small essentials and feature upgraded wider leg grips for added stability. With thousands of positive reviews, these shorts are praised for their quality and value, making them a favorite for casual riders and enthusiasts alike. The micro mount from Loop redefines how cyclists secure their phones, offering a sleek, ultra-compact solution that blends seamlessly with any bike. Swapping out your existing stem cap, this mount takes under 60 seconds to install and delivers a discreet, minimalist look that won't clutter your handlebars. Built from lightweight, weather-resistant metal, it combines durability with style, ensuring it stands up to all kinds of weather and terrain. With its universal design, the micro mount fits most smartphones and uses an impressive 3 kilograms of holding force to keep your device securely in place, even on bumpy rides. Optional removable O-ring and stem kits add versatility, letting you adapt the setup to your needs. Whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the trails, the micro mount provides a secure and aesthetically pleasing way to keep your phone within easy reach, making it a must-have accessory for any cyclist looking for convenience and style. The Core Cap Bike Computer offers a clever, minimalist solution for cyclists who value functionality without clutter. Tucked neatly into the steerer tube, this integrated device keeps your bike looking streamlined while delivering powerful features. With a robust battery housed within the unused space of the steerer tube, it provides long-lasting performance, making it ideal for extended rides. Its automatic ride recording kicks in as soon as you start pedaling, so there's no need to remember to hit start. The companion app allows full customization, letting you set up to 5 personalized screens with your favorite metrics, and integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like Strava and Komoot. Smart notifications and Google Maps compatibility further enhance its utility. Built for durability, the Core Cap is designed to handle tough conditions, and its eco-friendly materials make it a sustainable choice. Easy to install with no special tools, Core Cap is a sleek, modern addition for cyclists who value innovation and simplicity. The Unit 1 Aura Smart Bike Helmet is an innovative Class 3 e-bike helmet built to meet the demands of higher speed rides. It is designed with safety in mind and features NTA 8776 certification, the MyPS Fit system for added protection, and a magnetic strap buckle for convenience. Its integrated lighting system includes 40 white and yellow front LEDs, as well as 206 rear LEDs with turn signals and automatic brake lights controlled via a remote. While the turn signals could be brighter and deactivate quickly, the lighting still adds a layer of visibility. Comfort-wise, the helmet's sleek design includes a removable magnetic brim, customizable visors, 14 vents for ventilation, and soft padding for long rides. At 440 grams without the visor, it remains lightweight for a high-tech helmet. App integration allows for light customization and crash detection. Moreover, accessories like visors and a USB-C charging cable round out the package. The Apeman Seeker R1 brings a fresh take to cycling cameras, combining high-resolution video recording with smart safety features tailored for cyclists. Capable of capturing crystal-clear 4K video at 60 frames per second, this modular action camera ensures every ride is documented in stunning detail. Its Go Ape SR Sense mode and digital rear-view mirror provide a full 360-degree view, giving cyclists confidence during lane changes. Safety gets an upgrade with its integrated smart taillight, which automatically activates and includes intelligent brake lighting. For added visibility, the anti-collision laser bike lane projectors create clear laser lines on the road, encouraging vehicles to keep a safe distance. With a battery life that stretches up to 300 minutes, the Seeker R1 is built for endurance. Whether you're tackling city commutes or long scenic routes, this versatile cycling gadget seamlessly blends safety and performance, making it an indispensable companion for modern cyclists. The Parax S-Rack is the perfect blend of functionality and style, offering an elegant way to store your bike while enhancing your home decor. Crafted in Germany with premium wood and metal, this wall mount is available in 2 sizes to fit various bike handlebar widths, up to 50 centimeters for the medium version and 70 centimeters for the large one. The rack features a protective felt pad that safeguards your bike frame from scratches, while an integrated shelf provides convenient additional storage space for helmets, tools, or accessories. With a weight capacity of 20 kilograms, the rack is designed for long-lasting durability when securely mounted on a stable wall. Installation is straightforward, with clear assembly instructions provided. The S-Rack fits most top tube shapes and comes with an optional D-strap to secure the front wheel and protect your wall. Available in 8 different variants, this bike rack combines sleek design with practical use, making it a must-have for any cyclist's home. If you're a cyclist looking for a navigation device that's as sleek as it is functional, the Beeline Velo 2 is definitely worth checking out. This compact bike computer stands out for its simple, glanceable navigation that makes route planning effortless. The Beeline app lets you create custom routes or import GPX files, and with its smart routing feature, it uses feedback from thousands of riders to suggest the best paths. One of the coolest things about the Beeline Velo 2 is that it works offline, so even if you lose signal or veer off course, it'll still guide you. Riders love its user-friendly interface, which is clear and easy to follow at a glance. Plus, with its modern design, it's often called the best-looking cycle computer around. Whether you're commuting or exploring new roads, the Beeline Velo 2's combination of community-driven routing and smart tech makes it a must-have for any cyclist. For motorcyclists looking to enhance their ride with top-tier audio and communication features, Modicom's M+ headphones are a game-changer. These headphones are equipped with hydrodynamic noise cancellation to reduce high-frequency sounds like wind and engine noise, letting you enjoy clear audio even at high speeds. You can easily adjust the noise levels across 5 settings to suit your preferences. The Bluetooth intercom allows communication with other riders up to 100 meters away, while the boom mic ensures your voice is heard clearly. With intuitive twist controls, you can adjust settings without taking your hands off the handlebars, making it safe and easy to use on the go. The ergonomic 3D adjustable neckband fits comfortably under most helmets, and these headphones are smartphone compatible, letting you connect to your phone or AI assistant hands-free. Whether you're riding, commuting, or even cycling, the Modicom M+ headphones offer versatile, high-quality sound and connectivity. The Kärcher OC3 portable cleaner is the perfect solution for anyone needing a compact and efficient cleaning tool on the go. Whether you're cleaning your bike after a trail ride or washing off gear after an outdoor adventure, this battery-powered cleaner offers a gentle, low-pressure spray that's tough on dirt but easy on surfaces. The device features a sleek, space-saving design with integrated storage for the hose and trigger gun, making it super easy to transport and store. Its removable water tank ensures quick and convenient filling, so you're always ready for the next job. Powered by a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, it's ideal for those looking for a cordless solution, and it even has a low-battery LED indicator. The OC3 also comes with spray nozzles that can be switched out depending on your cleaning needs. Plus, you can expand its capabilities with additional accessories for even more versatility. The Corky Urban Flat Bar Rear-View Mirror is a game-changer for cyclists looking to stay safe on the road. With a 120-degree convex mirror, it gives riders up to 100 meters of rear visibility, far beyond what you can see by simply glancing over your shoulder. This feature makes it perfect for both commuters and those putting in miles during training rides. The mirror is compatible with a wide range of bikes, including city bikes, mountain bikes, and e-bikes, offering 2 installation methods for maximum convenience. Whether you opt for the fixed position mount or the flexible silicone mount, it's easy to transfer the mirror between bikes. It also boasts 360-degree rotation, giving you full control over your line of sight. Made from durable materials like ABS, polycarbonate, and steel, this mirror is built to last. The Coros Dura Solar GPS ensures you are never lost on your cycling runs. Offering an impressive 120 hours of ride time on a single charge, the solar charging feature extends that by up to 2 hours per hour of direct sunlight. Whether you're riding through city streets or taking on long tours, the 2.7-inch color touchscreen with adaptive backlight ensures you have clear navigation at all times, even in low light. It integrates seamlessly with Google Maps for turn-by-turn directions, offline maps, and smart rerouting so you never lose your way. The device syncs effortlessly with third-party apps like Strava and Komoot for tracking all your fitness metrics. Built to withstand tough conditions, the Coros Dura has an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, making it durable in any weather. With additional features like safety alerts, group tracking, and compatibility with various sensors, it's the perfect companion for serious cyclists.